modeling graphics. In this tutorial you will learn how to design a thumbnail designs, and these are the resources I will be using. The resources is in the description for the purpose of practice. Then let's go with the size. The image size is you tap on the presets, then tap on the YouTube thumbnail, then you tap OK. Then we are going to use this color. I'm going to call the color code. I have the color code on my pad. Yeah, FFELEEFA. Just pause the video, then copy the color code, then you tap on the blue plus check mark, OK, and OK. Then tap on this jagged, this line. I draw it with this pen. Just draw it like this, but we are not going to use this. Okay, let's increase the size. Okay. Increase the size. Then reduce the opacity. The thing is okay. Then let's lock it. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can see more video coming. Alright, let's create a shape. Then we are going to give it a red color. The red color is on your pad. No. Let's create a shape. Let's give it a red color from this place, the default red color. Then we are going to turn it red. Let's rotate. Rotation I give it is too much. Let's increase the size, not that much. Then I'm taking it to the back of the picture. Should not show. Yeah. Then we are going to type the text. How fits I'm going to write how fit works. Then we are going to increase the size. Don't worry, we are going to give this a white color. The white color is already on your. We are going to change this to capital letter. Alright, and then we are going to change the font to Poppin bold. Poppin bold. You should have had this. I love this font. You should have it on your phone. You have been following this tutorial. Poppin bold. Then we are going to use the shape rotate form. This is 6. Rotate to 6 minus 6. Alright, how fit works. You see the tutorial, the video is getting good. Then minus this should not be too much. See the video getting better. Then give this color black. Then we are going to create a small shape, small white shape. Then let's bring in the YouTube icon. Take it up. Reduce the size. Okay. To front. Then make it this little bit. Then let's type the tutorial will still be end now. Then we are going to write church code. Church code. Then we are going to reduce the size. Yeah. Then let's give it a bold font. Poppin bold also. Sorry. Position. Let's position it well. Church code. We are done with this tutorial. If you like this video, subscribe, like this video so that YouTube can push this video to more people. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be the first person to be notified. Share this video with your friends. It might be helpful to them. Thank you and God bless you. We meet in the next tutorial.